April so far Instagram chain story. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I'll show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. So first of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, you'll have to go to April Dump, which is right here. Then tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. And now you will have to click on Layout. Then choose whatever style you like by clicking on this button right here. I will go with this one. So I will add just 2 photos. One at the top and one at the bottom. Now click on this button right here and it will get you to your gallery to choose your first photo. So first I will go with this one. You can make it bigger or smaller and place it where you want by using your 2 fingers like you would zoom in or zoom out. And then to add another photo, click on the plus icon. I will go with this one. Now click on the check mark button. Then you can share the story with your friends by clicking on your story from the bottom left corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.